Every niche on YouTube is saturated at the surface. The obvious topics are covered. The beginner guides exist. The comparison videos exist. The top 10 lists exist. But underneath the surface, there are gaps, specific angles, underserved audiences, and unanswered questions that competitors haven't touched. Finding those gaps used to take weeks of manual research. With AI, it takes 20 minutes. This video shows you the exact process. The reason most creators can't find gaps is they research the wrong way. They open YouTube, search their niche, watch the top videos, and conclude everything is covered. That's surface research. It tells you what exists. It doesn't tell you what's missing. What's missing lives in the comments, in the search queries that return weak results, in the questions people ask that nobody answers well, and in the angles competitors ignore because they're chasing views on the same 10 topics. AI helps you systematically extract all of that in minutes. Step 1. Competitor comment mining. Go to the 3 biggest channels in your niche. Open their 5 most recent videos. Go to the comments. Copy 50 to 100 comments from each video into a document. Paste them into Claude with this prompt. Analyze these YouTube comments and identify 1. The questions that were asked but not answered in the video. 2. The frustrations viewers expressed about the topic. 3. The follow-up topics viewers said they wanted covered. 4. The misconceptions viewers revealed they had. Format as a list under each category. Claude returns a structured breakdown of exactly what the audience wants that the competitor didn't deliver. Those are your video ideas. Step 2. Search gap analysis. Open YouTube and search 20 variations of your niche keywords. For each search, note whether the top results are strong, relevant, and recent. Paste your list of searches into ChatGPT with this prompt. I searched these terms on YouTube. The ones marked weak returned outdated or off-topic results. Identify which search terms represent underserved content gaps and suggest specific video titles that would rank for them. ChatGPT identifies which keywords have demand but weak supply. That's where you publish next. Step 3. Reddit and forum mining. Go to the subreddits in your niche. For Toolstack, that's R Artificial, R ChatGPT, R Productivity. Sort by top posts of the past month. Copy the titles of the 30 most upvoted posts into a document. Paste into Claude. These are the most popular Reddit posts in the AI tools niche from the past month. Identify the themes, specific questions, and pain points that appear most frequently. Then suggest 5 YouTube video concepts that directly address the highest demand topics. Reddit tells you what real people are actually thinking about, not what the algorithm has already rewarded. It's raw demand data before it becomes saturated content. Step 4. The competitor gap matrix. List your 5 main competitors. For each one, paste their last 20 video titles into ChatGPT. Then prompt, analyze these video titles from 5 competitors in the same niche. Identify 1. Topics all 5 cover repeatedly. 2. Topics only 1 or 2 cover. 3. Topics none of them cover that would logically fit the niche. 4. Angles or framings that are completely absent across all 5 channels. The topics none of them cover. That's your blue ocean. You're not competing, you're filling a void. Step 5. Audience persona deepening. Take everything you've collected, the comments, the Reddit posts, the search gaps, the competitor blind spots, and paste it all into Claude with this final prompt. Based on all of this data, describe the ideal viewer for a channel in this niche. What do they struggle with that existing content doesn't address? What tone do they respond to that competitors aren't using? What format, tutorial, opinion, case study, breakdown, is underrepresented? Give me a 90-day content strategy of 12 video concepts that fill the identified gaps. Claude returns a complete content roadmap built from real audience data, not guesswork. The output of this entire process is a prioritized list of video ideas ranked by demand and competition level. High demand plus low competition equals your next video. You're not creating content and hoping it finds an audience. You're finding what the audience already wants and creating it. That's the difference between creators who grow and creators who plateau. The full process takes 20 minutes once you've done it twice. The first time takes longer because you're building the workflow. After that, it's systematic. Run it once a month. Your content calendar fills itself with ideas that have pre-validated demand. You're not brainstorming from zero. You're mining data that already exists and using AI to process it faster than any human researcher could. One thing to add. After you've identified your gaps, Run this final check. Take your top 5 video concepts and paste them into ChatGPT. For each of these video concepts, identify the search intent. Is the viewer looking to learn, to compare, to solve a specific problem, or to be entertained? Then suggest the optimal format and thumbnail emotion for each. This aligns your content with why people are searching, not just what they're searching. Intent matching is what separates videos that rank from videos that get buried. Comment your niche below and I'll tell you the one gap I'd target first if I were starting your channel today. Next video, I'm showing you how to build a complete AI-powered content calendar for 90 days in under an hour, so you never sit down to create without knowing exactly what you're making next. Tool Stack. The best AI users learn faster.